Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So today we start the new chapter, mensuration. So mensuration means what? So mensuration means it is study about the areas and the perimeters. It is study about the areas and the perimeters. So in the previous standard we have studied that how to find the area of a square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Many things we have studied that how to find the area of many figures. Now here we continue that only in this chapter, mensuration. So now first of all we will study about here square and rectangle. So already you know that how to find the area and perimeter of a square and rectangle, and also you know that the formula. So let us see the formula. Area of square. So which is equals to formula is side into side. And next perimeter of square is 4 into side. And next area of rectangle. So that is length into breadth. And next perimeter of a rectangle. So which is equals to 2 into bracket L plus B. So this is what, or these are the formulae to find the area and perimeter of a square and rectangle. Now let us examine some examples. Find the area and perimeter of a square of side 10 centimeter. So find the area and perimeter of a square of side 10 centimeter. So now what is the formula to find the area of a square side into side? So use that. Area of square. So which is equals to side into side. So side always are given 10. So 10 into 10 is 100 centimeter square. And next perimeter of a square, which is equals to what is the formula? 4 into side. So 4 into side is 10. So the answer is 40 centimeter. So the perimeter it is in like centimeter, meter, kilometer like that. But the area unit is it should be square units. Means like centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square like that. So this is the unit of or area and this is the unit of perimeter. So the area of a square is 100 centimeter square and perimeter of square is 40 centimeter. Let us take one more example. Find the area and 3 centimeter. So find the area and perimeter of a rectangle of length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So here now, what is the formula to find the area of a rectangle? L into B. So use that. Area of a rectangle, so which is equals to length into breadth. So length how much are given? 5 into breadth is 3. So 5 3 are 15 centimeter square. And next, perimeter of a rectangle, which is equals to formula is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 5 plus breadth is 3. So 2 into 5 plus 3 8. 2 8 are 16 centimeter. So the area of rectangle is 15 centimeter square and its perimeter is 16 centimeter. So this is how you need to find the area and perimeter of a square and rectangle. So let us see the exercise about this. Exercise 11.1. In the first question, the length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land. A rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find first one, its area, and second one, the cost of the land. The cost of the land is 1 meter square of the land. 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. Let us see. So they are given the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land 500 meter and 300 meter. Then find its area and then cost. If 1 meter square costs rupees 10,000, means how much meter square you will get the area, multiply that one by 10,000, you will get the total cost. So first one, find its area. Area of a rectangular land. So which is equals to formula is length into breadth. So length is 500 into breadth is 300. So multiply. So you will get that 1,15,000 meter square. So this is what area of rectangular land. So now we need to find the cost. They are given that 1 meter square cost rupees 10,000. Then 1,50,000 meters square will cost how much? So just multiply this total area by cost. Therefore, second one. Cost of the land, which is equals to 1,15,000 into 10,000. So you will get that 150 crore rupees. So the cost of 1,50,000 meters square of land will cost how much? 150 crore rupees. So this is about the word solution of first main question. Now let us see next question. Second one, find the area of a square pot whose perimeter is 320 meter. Find the area of a square pot whose perimeter is 320 meter. So here they are given perimeter of a square part, but we need to find what? Area of square part. So for finding the area of square part, we need the side of the square. So then how we need to find the side of a square? By using the perimeter of a square. Let us say, so perimeter of square. So which is equals to formula is 4 into side. So perimeter they are given how much? 320, which is equals to 4 into side. So now 4 is multiplied with side, take to the LHS, that will become division, as like solving the simple equation. So if you take 4 to the LHS, that will become division. So which is equals to side. So 4 1 the 4 8 the 32, means 80s. Therefore side of the square part is how much? 80 meters. So the side of the square part is 80 meter. Then what we need to find? Area of square part. Therefore, area of square part. So which is equal to, formula is side into side. So side how much is there? 80 into 80. So 80 into 80, 6,400 meter square. So the area of square part is how much? 6,400 meter square. So this is about the solution of second main question. Let us the next question, third one. Third one, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land its area is 440 meters square and length is 22 meters. Also find its perimeter. Also find its perimeter. So here what we need to find the breadth of a rectangular plot. If its area is 440 meters square and length is 22 meter, also find its perimeter. So now they are given area of a rectangular plot. Then use the area of a rectangle formula. You will get the length and then find the perimeter of rectangular plot. So what they are given here? Area they are given how much? 440 meters square. So length they are given how much? 22 meters. We need to find breadth and then perimeter. So now area of a rectangular plot. So which is equals to formula is length into breadth. So area of a rectangular plot they are given how much? 440. So which is equals to length they are given how much? 22 into b. So 22 here it is multiplication. If you take to the ratio that will become division. So 440 divided by 22 which is equals to b. So now 22 ones are 22 twos are 44 and 0. That means breadth is equals to 20 meter. So breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. Then find its area. Sorry, perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangular plot. So which is equals to formula is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 22 plus breadth is, we got that 20. So 2 into 22 plus 20, 42. So 2 into 42, 84 meter. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangular plot is 84 meter. So this is about the solution of third main question. Okay. Try to solve the remaining questions of this exercise. We'll continue in the next class.